A very good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do question answers of Unit 4, Section B. Name of the chapter is The Strategist. Let us do question answers. Hello, students. First of all, we will do read to understand. A part. Answer these questions with reference to the context. First part of it, we will have to go back, I suppose. These are the words, and on this basis we have to answer the following questions. A question is, who spoke these words? Its answer is, the elder Rosley spoke these words. B question, who does we refer to? Answer, we refers to all the boys in the team. C. Where would they have to go? Why? Answer. They would have to go back to the library to decide on another word for the girls to guess. Now, second part. Nonsense. There are too many of us. These are the words, and on this basis, we have to answer these questions. First, who said this? Answer, the other girls said this. Question B. What was this said in response to? Answer, this was said in response to Agnes' suggestion that the girls should take their turn to go out. Next question. Who offered a solution to the problem? Answer, Agnes offered a solution. Next question. What was the solution to too many of us? Answer, the solution of the problem was that four girls would go to the library and Agnes would be one of them. Let us see B part of question answers. Match the following to complete the sentences. Here, A. Mrs. Jallet threw a party. Answer is C, for young people only. Second, the young guests were too G. Match it with G. Well mannered to contradict Mrs. Jallet. Third, the boys formed one group. Here F, the girl another group. 4. Dollars did not like the game suggested by the elder Rosley. Question number 5. The boys held their discussions, here D, about the word to choose in the library. 6th. Mrs. Jallet did not A. Put extra goodies on her supper table. 7. Agnes ate the whole peach and did not share any with dollars. 8. Rollo pretended to know a few conjuring tricks, so he offered to take out peaches from the boys' pockets. Next, answer these questions. This is C part. First question, did the young guest enjoy the guessing game? Give a reasoned answer. Answer, the children did not enjoy the game because it was unexciting. The boys did not know how to play the game properly. They tried to cheat, which annoyed the girl. They felt relieved and eagerly stopped the game when Mrs. Jallet announced refreshment. Question 2. Everyone panicked when they thought Dollars was going to recite Loxley Hill. Why? Answer. Dollars needed very little encouragement to start reciting Loxley Hill, a very long poem. She may have recited the poem in a poor manner. So, on one occasion, her audience actually left the room when she said the first line. But since they would be expected to behave with courtesy and good manners, and so would have to listen to her boring recitation, so they panicked at the thought that she would be asked to recite. Question number 3. Why do you think Rollo offered to take out fruit from some of them? Answer. Rollo had seen the Rosley brothers take more than their share of peaches, so he offered to take fruits out of some of them. Question number 4. Why did Rollo wink at the Rosley boy? Answer. Rollo winked at the Rosley boys because he had found a way to get the girls engrossed in searching for chocolates that were not there. Question number 5. Rollo did not really enjoy the party. Do you agree or disagree? Justify your response. Answer. Rollo probably did not enjoy the party because he found the games boring and was looking for an excuse to leave the party. He did not get along with the Rosley brothers and particularly disliked their cousin who was also present at the party. Jack, who he considered to be his supporter, did not attend the party. Now let us do discuss and write. First question. Do you think it was good manners for the Rosleys to take more than their share? Why? What would you do if you saw them taking the pieces? No. It showed a very selfish, inconsiderate attitude. Question number 2. The words superior and strategist refer to two people in the story. Who are they? Do you think these are negative or positive descriptions? Justify your answer. Dollars is referred to as superior because she expressed a negative opinion about the game the boys suggested. Rollo is a strategist in the story because he suggested a way to fool the girls during the guessing game, played a conjuring tricks on the Rosley boys and fooled Agnes into thinking that there were chocolates hidden in the library. So students, this is all. I hope you all have understood question answers very well. Do these in your fair notebook and learn also. Thank you for watching the video.